Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the lovely black appearance package and the FX4 off-road package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a bed camera up there as well with a bed liner and tailgate step. Mud flaps on the rear. We have side bed steps as well. Black platform gripped running board. Side view camera. Trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, spotlights, mud flaps on the front. And moving to the front, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior with some brown accents, plenty of door space with a B&O sound system, flat fold storage system, carpeted interior, floor mats, cup holders, rear vents, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt. And of course, you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which allows you to have easier access to your cargo, and you could put tons of stuff in here. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You have your parking brake, pedal adjusters, spotlights, lights, tailgate opener, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 26 kilometers. We do have this heated leather upstream one, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get a nice comm screen, which tells you your kilometers set empty, your speedometer, and we do get our, let me go back here, our main screen, which has my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got tons of storage cup holders. You get 2 more if need be. Wireless charging pad with some outlets down there. And it does close. Got that nice center console with tons of storage, even a little light down there, and 2 USB-Cs. You have your drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, engine start. We have heated and cooled front seats. There's that heated steering wheel, dual climate up front, 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and below with the nice Super Duty logo. Storage right here with 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, and a nice rear window opener. We do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. You got your engine brake and hill assist just above. Your infotainment system, which for your audio you do get AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. You got your phone connectivities, navigation, save apps, messaging, email, all that fun. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your vehicle settings, you get personal profiles, Ford Assist, all that jazz, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC80753, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.